Description: 8 unique, translucent detangling, moisturizing and conditioning agents help restore healthy suppleness without distorting color. Benefits: hair that is soft, shiny, perfectly hydrated and maintains its beautiful color and vibrance. Suggested use: apply a small amount to shampooed hair. Start about 2 inches from scalp and distribute evenly to ends. Rinse thoroughly. Argan oil provides perfect amount of hydration that's never greasy or heavy plus leaves hair silky smooth, glossy plus majorly nourished. Heat protection comes packed with 3 kinds of thermal protectant to keep hair safe from dehydration plus dulling. Color-safe ingredients, won't oxidize plus turn hair yellow or brassy so your color stays glossy plus bright. Top reviews from the United States. Great for my thick, long, color-treated hair. Best shampoo and conditioner I have ever used. Perfect for my long, blonde hair. I also have very thick hair. The conditioner rocks.